The carotid arteries in your neck carry blood to the brain. When they narrow, stroke risk climbs. Carotid Artery Stenting, or CAS, is a minimally invasive way to reopen a narrowed carotid artery from inside the vessel. Fatty plaque builds up over years inside the artery. Small pieces can break off and block vessels in the brain. Doctors typically consider stenting for patients who've had warning symptoms or when significant narrowing is found on imaging. Before the procedure, imaging maps the artery, and dual antiplatelet medication is started to protect against clots. The procedure is done in an angiography suite, usually under local anesthesia with mild sedation, so you stay awake and relaxed. A thin catheter is guided from the groin or wrist up to the carotid artery, using live X-ray imaging. A small filter is placed beyond the narrowing to catch any debris, then the stent is deployed to hold the artery open. A balloon may briefly widen the stent so it seats against the artery wall, then the filter is carefully removed. Recovery usually means 1 to 2 nights in hospital with close monitoring of blood pressure and neurological signs. Most people return to light activities within 1 to 2 weeks. Follow-up ultrasound scans check that the stent stays open. Like any procedure on a brain artery, stenting carries real risks, including stroke, blood pressure changes, and access site bruising. Long-term protection depends on staying on prescribed medications, controlling blood pressure, quitting smoking, and eating well. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.